Hello! New day, new bahay. Today I'm going to show you a 40,500,000 house here in Forest Park, North Angeles City. Tara! So this house have a two full-size big car park garage with a swimming pool. Swimming pool. Tapos pasok tayo sa loob. Ito yung living area. Yung mga curtain kasama na po yan and the aircon. And here is your dining area and kitchen. And meron tayong isang room dito sa baba. With built-in cabinets. Yung mga built-in cabinets na magaganda ang gawa. Tapos, meron siyang CR dito sa baba. Baba na lang po ang cameraman. And meron pong dirty kitchen dito. May dirty kitchen and washroom. Akyat po tayo sa taas. So dito sa taas, meron tayong 3 bedroom. Ganda ng yung curtains. So, dito sa taas, meron po tayong 3 bedroom. So, I'll show you the first bedroom. Here is the first bedroom with AC. Tapos, meron din siyang built-in cabinet. And meron na siyang provision for your TV. Yan, dito. Tapos, ito ang bedroom number 2. Same with bedroom number 1. Meron siyang built-in cabinet. Tapos, meron siyang balcony. Meron siyang balcony here. Ganda ng view. Tapos, meron siya dito mga lalagyan ng linen, ng yung mga maleta, luggage, yan. And meron tayong common bathroom para sa bedroom 1 and 2. And dito na tayo sa master bedroom. So here is the master bedroom. Maluwang. Maluwang ang ating master bedroom. So maluwang ang master bedroom. Meron siyang provision for your TV and some more cabinets here. And here, yan, marami siyang cabinet. Tapos meron siyang itong kanyang toilet and bath. And meron din siyang balcony. Kung na natin buksan ng balcony, yan siya. Okay, to view this house, please call the number above and see you on the next house tour. Bye-bye!